Hello friends, today we'll take a look at how things are going in Germany. Bayern continues to dominate German football, while Werder is struggling to stay afloat. Can the visitors pull off a surprise this time? Let's break it all down, examine the numbers, and propose the best betting options. And to make sure you don't miss our predictions, subscribe to the channel right now. Watch the video to the end. I'll share an interesting fact about one of the teams. So now let's get started, guys. Team analysis and statistics. Bayern, the dominant favorite in this match. Bayern is all about stability and attacking football. The Munich team's average goals scored are impressive, 2.6 per match, while their defense allows only 0.9 goals. They average 7.4 corners per game. In recent matches, the team has been cruising through their league without major issues. A victory against Freiburg 2-1, an unexpected fail against Feyenoord in the Champions League 3-0, and the crushing win over Hoffenheim 5-0. Werder this season is barely showing any fighting spirit, and they're struggling against big teams. Their average goal tally is 1.8, but they concede more than they score, 1.9 on average. They take an average of 5.1 corners per game. Their recent matches look weak. A draw with Borussia Dortmund 2-2, losses to Augsburg 0-2, and Leipzig 2-4, and the draw with Heidenheim 3-3. The team is finding it very hard to collect any points. And now for the head-to-head history. In the last 5 encounters with Werder, Bayern has won 4 times with scores of 5-0, 4-0, and 6-1. It seems Bremen isn't destined to stage an upset at the Allianz Arena. The Bremen side hasn't beaten Munich in a long time. Their last victory was just over a year ago. Betting ideas and predictions. Bayern at home is a machine, and even a motivated Werder is unlikely to offer much resistance. So I'm expecting open football where the hosts will showcase their class. My prediction is a 4-1 victory for Bayern. In this match, I also recommend betting on these options. Total over 3.5 goals. Bayern versus Werder games are rarely boring. Bayern's attack is on fire as usual, and Werder could chip in with a goal. Both teams to score. Yes, this bet looks very promising as both teams are very active. Bayern to win with a handicap -2. The home advantage and head-to-head statistics all point to a convincing win for the hosts. Goal by Harry Kane. The Englishman has adapted excellently to German football, and against Werder, he's bound to score. That's all for now, guys. Subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment. Don't forget about our Telegram channel, where we not only discuss football, but also share exclusive predictions. New subscribers get a free VIP bet with great odds. Don't waste your time. Become part of our team today. See you soon, guys. Interesting fact about Bayern. In the 1990s, the Munich club was nicknamed Football Club Hollywood due to the numerous scandals involving players and coaching staff. During this period, Bayern's players appeared more often in gossip columns than on sport pages, earning the club the nickname Football Club Hollywood. This moniker still lives on today,